All right, it's time once again for the Law and You, and we're featuring the area's premier attorneys with us today. We have Ed Ciarimboli and Greg Fellerman. Great to see you guys as always.
Great to be back. We had a fantastic birthday with my wife yesterday, so now we're ready to answer some questions.
Your daughter, you, and your wife. The birthdays are over, so now you have time to focus on the legal questions from our viewers.
Back to work.
So let's get to this one from Harry in Lewisburg. He's saying, I was recently denied my Social Security, and I need to appeal. Do I need a lawyer to help? The appeal needs to be filed shortly. What do you think?
Yes, Harry, yes. So Social Security, the second that you enter the Social Security system, it's a legal proceeding. It's an adversarial proceeding. There's going to be you're going to have to go through a vocational examination. The vocational examination, very simply, is what can you do from an employment capacity or standpoint. And they're going to, Social Security is going to have their own person who essentially is not necessarily going to be advocating for your rights. So you need somebody that's going to be able to go in there that understands that system and then starts to advocate for you. And when I say advocate for you, meaning putting the case together, so if you truly are disabled and you can't work, then you're going to need to be able to prove that to the Social Security Administration. So you do need a lawyer.
And if you look at the way the question was written, your case was already reviewed and denied, so now you're going into a courtroom, and you have to go in there armed, ready to fight, ask the right questions, and somebody who knows what they're doing. You could go in there, and they always say if you represent yourself, you have a fool for a client. So make sure you have a lawyer who's going to go in there and does that type of work, because again, it's important to have the right people on your team.
Are you taking more notes?
I'm telling you, knowledge. It's like
Ed's learning today from Greg over here.
You know what we're gonna have? We're gonna have top 10 Greg quotes.
Greatest quotes.
Knowledge is power.
A whole different episode.
Our
own show.
Pick up the phone and call us. Social media, Facebook, Snapchat. He's there.
Stealing my lines over here. Wow. Well, if you need some legal advice, just call my two favorite chatty Cathy's over here. They'll help you out, that's for sure. And if you have a question, just submit it at pahomepage.com or give the hotline a call.